Namaste and welcome to today's meditation. We begin, as we always do, with a sankalpa, an intention. Not just a thought, not just a wish, but an intention that we're going to move through the body. Because here is what is true: the mind can drift, thoughts can stay abstract, words can float away. But when the sankalpa or intention moves through the body, something deep happens, something important happens. When we chant, when we use our voice, the intention becomes heard, expressed. It leaves us from the internal state, from the mind, and exits into the room, into the world to be heard. Combine that with movement, sound and movements together, the body becomes a living, breathing, tangible embodiment of that intention. The nervous system is listening. The vagus nerve, that ancient highway between the mind and the body, is paying attention. When the body repeats a rhythm, the brain begins to encode this moment differently. It begins to rewire itself. The message is not only in the mind, it enters the muscle. And then there is the power of the Sangha. When we do this together, all of us in space and time, something else begins to happen. There is coherence. Coherence of the mind and of the nervous system. We are no longer separate. We are no longer moving in different directions. We become one shared field of attention and of awareness and of sankalpa, the intention. So today, let's anchor a sankalpa, the intention, a little bit deeper into the mind and into the body. Hold this intention of peace, unity, love, and respect. With every breath, repeat your sankalpa: peace, unity, love, and respect. Observe all points of contact with Mother Earth: peace, unity, love, and respect. Observe your rib cage, your Anahata Chakra, your heart center, expanding with every inhale. Anchor your intention: peace, unity, love, and respect. Observe the jaw softening, Bromadhya, your frown lines releasing and relaxing. Maintain awareness, looking inward towards the Bromadhya, and repeat your sankalpa for peace, for love, for unity, and for respect of all beings. Continue to scan the body and let go of tension, constriction, known and unknown, conscious and unconscious. Release the body and repeat the sankalpa for peace, unity, love, and respect. The message is not only in the mind, but it is in your breath, it is in your muscle. Peace, unity, love, and respect. Let your breath carry this intention. Let the chest vibrate with this chanting, with the sound of peace, unity, love, and respect. When we all do it together, all at once, coherence begins to form. Peace, unity, love, and respect. Let's tap the intention into the karate chopping point. Peace, unity, love, and respect. Shift to the Bro Madhya and continue tapping. Anchor it in your muscles, at the temples, under the eyes, above the upper lip, the chin, your collarbones. Repeating the sankalpa. Peace, unity, love, and respect. Tap the side of your ribs. Go for both sides. Anchoring it into the thoracic cavity. And lastly, the top of the head, back of the head, and the whole head. For peace, unity, love, and respect. Namaste.